Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the scalping strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today actually I'm planning to trade the pound pairs. I'm going to focus on the pound pairs and of course the euro NZD along with the gold. These pairs usually giving us a lot of more profits and easier to trade since actually we are actually as scalpers, and as you know these pairs can actually give you a quick profits easily, and the market is moving in high volatility at the moment. So again, we will be trading the pound NZD pairs, sorry, the pound pairs I mean, and then euro NZD and euro AUD as well, and the gold. These 8 pairs can give you lots of profits easily. So anyway, now for the pound CAD. Actually I'm looking at the pound CAD and I can see clearly that on the 4-hour time frame the market right now is facing a strong resistance. Keep in mind that I'm on the 4-hour time frame, and right here we can see clearly the market has created a previous resistance level, and right now the market seems like it's actually respecting that level of a previous resistance. However, the moral of the story is on the 4-hour time frame we are actually looking for sell order, because we define that we are actually on a resistance level, which means you have to look right now for a sell opportunity. Now, after identifying the direction on the 4-hour time frame, jump to the smaller time frame such as 30 minutes or 15 minutes. It's up to you. There is no specific rule to which time frame you can go to. On the 50-minute time frame I can't really see much, so let me just now move to the 30-minute time frame. That's easier. Now of course I need to identify the levels where I can start shorting the pound CAD. However, I'm actually late. The market has already reversed for about 10 pips and it's still reversing more actually. I'm going to place the sell order. I'm going to place a sell order right now. Yes, fantastic, we have opened the sell order. Okay, let me just explain to you. First of all, we need to place our stop losses, and I'm planning to invest about $200 in this trade. 230 gonna be the maximum. Meanwhile, the target is gonna be placed exactly right here. Now, I need to explain to you. Now, as you can see, the candle is falling, is giving us profits. Okay, I need to explain to you what happened right here. So as you know, my friends, I have placed my trade right here at that resistance level. Now, keep in mind that we are having here a strong bullish candle. However, before creating that bullish candle, we had right here a support level, which means, oh my God, we're having good profits already, which means the market most likely is going to continue the fall till it reaches that support level to create the second attempt of the support. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. So as you can see, I have placed my trade right here in the middle way. However, I was supposed actually to place my trade exactly right here, but I missed the opportunity. Anyway, I knew that the candle is gonna continue the fall till it reaches at least that level of a support. This is right here, support number 1. And the candle is gonna continue the fall till it reaches the same level of the support to create support number 2. That's how the market usually works. And as you can see, let me go back to the 50-minute time frame and check this out. The candle is falling, yes, $102, 92, 97. Actually, I'm telling you something. I know that the target is going to be right here and the candle has a potential to fall to that support level, but I am actually a person who focuses on the profit that I have made. Okay, $97 or $100 per trade, since I'm a scalper, is actually a very good amount for me, and I'm very happy for that. And keep in mind that of course I'm using IC Markets. IC Markets is the only broker that I trust, and I have been using since more than 6 years by now, and I have no plans at all to change them. They are giving me the tightest spreads and the fast execution order for my orders, for my trades. Okay, so actually I'm trying to fill the minutes here to talk about anything, because as we can see the profits is actually coming, and I want actually to reach at least $100 of profit before we can close this trade. Most likely I will close the trade once we have again $100 of profit. It seems like, oh my goodness, perfect, 105, fantastic, $104. $104. Let me tell you something. For those who live in Dubai and or in the United Arab Emirates, $104 is equivalent almost to, I would say, about 400 dirhams in the local currency, which is, by the way, a very good money, which you can make in just about 5 minutes. Anyway, fantastic. I'm happy for this trade. Now, let's now move to the next one. So again, I am back on the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna check the pound JPY. The pound JPY seems like it's falling. My God, man, I just made 400. I just had made $104 in just 5 minutes. I'm happy about that. I'm really happy and glad for that. That's amazing. That's why I really love Forex. It's just overwhelming about how you can make these decent income. This decent income from trading Forex. Of course, let me just tell you the timing here. In Dubai, the time right now is 4:56 p.m. And GMT, it is actually, I think, about 1 p.m. GMT. Okay, the pound CHF, we don't see anything good here. Pound USD, I don't see anything good at all. Let me check the euro and ZD. Why I'm saying nothing good at all? Why am I saying here that this setup is not good at all? Let me just show it to you. I need to explain to you. For example, right now, on the 4-hour time frame, I know I'm on a resistance level, but the bullish movement for the pound AUD seems really strong. The market seems like it's going to actually make a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance. And placing a sell order right here is not ideal. That movement right here is actually indicates a continuation in the bullish momentum. Therefore, I don't see anything good here to place any trade. Then for the pound JPY seems like it's just going to continue the fall. And so far, there is not much good to be looking at for the pound JPY. I mean, I want to see myself on a clear support or resistance, and so far I don't see this is happening right here. Pound NZD, very similar to the pound AUD. It's actually right now showing a continuation in the bullish momentum, and placing here a sell or buy order is gonna be like gambling, so it's not really a good opportunity here. Euro and ZD, as we can see, I need to wait for the market to reach that level right here of a support, exactly at 1.66168. Before that, I don't really see any good opportunity to place any sell or buy orders. However, I'm looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, and seems to me like the next candle is actually gonna be red. The next candle is definitely gonna be red. It's gonna reach that level of a support. Okay, let's see it in more details. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Perfect. So this is interesting. Actually, on the 30-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we had right here a support, and this candle seems like it's gonna make the bearish breakout from that support. Interesting. And check this out. The bearish movement is strong. The momentum is strong actually. And this candle seems like it's actually gonna continue the move. Okay, so a new candle has just opened, and I think I'm going to place my sell order exactly right here after the retest of that broken support level. Yes, indeed, we can tell right now with this strong bearish movement, the momentum is actually strong. However, I need to wait some more time to confirm the direction. I believe the best level to place the sell order is exactly right here. Someone might ask me why Salah is here. Okay, those who are following me for a long time, they know already the reason. As you can see, this is the bearish breakout candle from that level of a support, right? Pay attention. This tail right here, this tail is actually the nearest one to that bearish breakout candle. So as I'm telling you always, we need to look for the level of the nearest tail to the bearish breakout candle, and exactly right from there, we will place our sell order. That's going to be the best level to place your sell order. Most likely the resistance is going to be created exactly right on that level. That's exactly what I will do right now. Therefore, I have to wait for the candle to rise again to another 13 or 14 pips before we can place the sell order. So until then, allow me now please to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open this trade. And as you can see, the candle is approaching the level of the previous support as I have told you, and I'm going to place the sell order right now. Fantastic. I had the perfect entry. Let me now move to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, I just want to move to the smaller time frames to see it in more details. So first of all, I'm going to set my stop loss to be about $200, very similar to the previous trade, 234. Meanwhile, the target is of course going to be placed right here. Now, of course, why here? Because as the strategy rules, my friends, this is the nearest support to my entry. So this is supposedly going to be the new resistance, and this is the nearest support to my current entry. And as you know, this is the strategy rules that once you place your sell order, you should make sure that your take profit level is placed at the nearest support to the entry. And as we can see, the candle already falling. We already have a profit, $41. Fantastic. I'm very happy about that. Okay, I moved now to the 5-minute time frame to see the candle in more details. So if this current candle of the 5 minutes candle gonna close as a pin bar, that's gonna be a very good news. I'll be happy about it. As you can see with this indicator, the candle is gonna close after 1 minute 30 seconds. All right, all cool. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. So just to update you, as you can see, the candle has a closed as a small pin bar. So therefore, I think it's gonna be a good trade, and I'm gonna keep the trade running. And I want you guys to see how the entry was really accurate. And that is, of course, thanks to the strategy that says that we have to always place our sell order exactly at the same level of the nearest tail to the bearish breakout candle. That has actually provided me with a perfect entry. I'm really planning to place another sell order, but I'm not gonna do it. That's gonna be crazy, and I don't want to risk so much. I mean, yes, I really trust it, but still, we have to always be careful with our funds. This is not a joke. This is real money we're talking about. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And the candle is falling 97. Ooh, it was 97. I was going to close the trade. Let's wait some time. Actually, my friends, that's the reason I have survived in this. $101. Fantastic. Fantastic. I'm very happy about that. $101. Fantastic. I was going to say that I have survived in this business because I'm not a greedy person. I know that the candle has a potential to reach that support, but I'm not a greedy person. I have a daily target. So look at that. The account is $2,888. Fantastic. Fantastic. So far we have made about $205 in just 12. I think it's about right now it's the 5:15 p.m. Dubai time. I think within just like 20-25 minutes. Check this out. The candle is still falling. We could have actually earned more, but I'm very happy that I have exited my trade without any greediness. I'm very happy about that. Actually, you don't know the excitement and the happiness I feel when I make these profits on the live trading video. It's awesome. Which is really weird, by the way, because yesterday actually I have made about 4 losses. And yesterday, I will be honest with you guys, yesterday actually I was barely able to close with a break even. Yesterday, I'm trying to remember, the account was about $2,700 or $600, $2,600. Then I dropped back all the way to 2,180. And thankfully, I was able to recover from some trades, and I was able to close the day with a break even. I think it was a loss of only $40 or $50. So today, actually, I'm back in profit. I'm just being honest with you that not every single day is gonna be profitable. You can never make profit in Forex every single day. That's just not possible. And of course, if any time I have made any losses in Forex, I'm going to show it all in this live trading video without hiding anything at all. I want to spread the reality of Forex. Look at that. On the 4-hour time frame, we're actually facing a previous resistance, and pay attention that also it is on the same level of the lowest tail of the nearest tail to the bearish breakout candle. Right now on the 4-hour time frame, the candle is there. Let me now move to the 30-minute time frame. Perfect. However, we have to be careful. I have a feeling that on the 30-minute time frame, the candle most likely is gonna continue the rise till it reaches the nearest resistance to that bearish breakout candle. Okay, I need to be careful here. On the 4-hour time frame, it indeed says that, but on the 30-minute time frame, we're having different story. We're having right here the bearish breakout candle. This was the nearest tail to that bearish breakout candle, and we're having here also a resistance. Not to mention that there is something very strong about the bullish movement right here. We're having here a strong rejection from breaking out from that long-term support at 1.21550. So it seems to me like selling right here is not really a good idea. The market has actually just been rejected from breaking out from that level of a support zone, which means that most likely the pound CHF is actually going to continue the rise. Maybe selling is better exactly right here on that level of a resistance, but selling right now, no, I'm not going to do it. Back to the pound NZD, pound CAD. Let me check the gold. My always savior and good backup for anything. All right. So we're checking the gold right now. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can't really get much of the gold. Let's move to the 15-minute time frame. Also on the 15-minute time frame, I don't see much of good setups. I mean, the gold is ranging so much right now. This movement right here, my friends, check this out. This kind of movement, you really don't want to trade in such market like that. So therefore, I'm going to skip the gold right now for the moment. Okay. I need to pause the recording till I find the next decent setup. Alright, so the AUD NZD here is showing something very interesting as a very simple and basic support and resistance strategy. We can see clearly that on the 1-hour time frame, we have right here the support number 1, and right now the market is about to create support number 2. Fantastic, I'm about to place the buy order very soon. Actually, I don't even need to go to the smaller time frame. By looking at the 1-hour time frame, even the 4-hour time frame, we can tell clearly that this is very simple. Support number 1 right here, and the market right now creating support number 2. So I'm going to place the buy order. I'm just waiting for the candle to fall more for about 2 pips. 2 pips. I'm going to place the buy order right now. That's enough. I'm going to place the buy order right now, and oh, that's fine. That's fine. Our stop loss can be placed just about $160. Yeah, $168. Look at that bomber. Right now, after placing the buy order, the candle has indeed reached the same level of a support. Fantastic. Only after I open the trade, it's okay. No problem. Not a problem. Hopefully the candle, okay, hopefully the candle won't be able to break out from that level. Actually, the candle might be falling to create here the small tail, but however, we have to wait for some time till we be in profit. Anyway, for the take profit level, it has to be placed exactly right here at the nearest resistance to our entry. Since I have placed my trade right here on the support number 2, then the take profit level has to be placed exactly right here, because this was right here the nearest support to our entry, and right here this tail right here, or this wick, sorry, represents the resistance. Anyway, the candle is reversing, and I think very soon we will be running in profits. So let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, so actually I want to exit this trade with 63, 60, okay, $54. That's fine. That's fine. It's actually less than what I wanted. Let me just tell you something. Actually, my whole philosophy in trading is relying on the first attempt of support or resistance. Always rely on the first or second attempts. Rely always on the first attempt. The second attempt is okay, but it's not really the best option. I mean, I want to secure the trade. I want to make sure that I'm gonna make money. So therefore, look at that. The candle right now is getting red. I think it's gonna continue the fall. Yeah, I always trust the first attempt of a support or resistance much more the second attempt. Second attempt is not really a secured option. I mean, I have made some few bucks from this trade, but it's not really my target. But however, I'm done with this live trading video. It's about 20 minutes. And again, my friends, I just wanted to share with you my experience in trading. And we have opened in only 3 trades in this video. I wish we could have opened more, but actually, as many of you know, I had COVID since I think back in June. I had COVID, and till today, my health is never the same. I can't keep talking for long times. Recording these videos actually is exhausting to me. And yeah, I'm doing the best I can to recover. And by the way, till now, I cannot really smell well. I can smell the food or the any smell actually only if my nose is very close to the object. But in general, if I go to a room, I can't really smell anything. Again, guys, please take care, follow your health. COVID is not a joke, and it has been almost a year, and I'm still suffering the symptoms of COVID. Anyway, again, I will try to my best to make another live trading video by tomorrow, and hopefully I will see you then. So until then, I hope that that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.